Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're going to do kind of a prep for summer. So there's some stuff, well, let me rephrase that, not prep. Let's set up for summer. So there's some things we're going to do outside a little bit later, but for right now, the big thing I need to do in the house, over there you can see I have like a electric kettle, and I usually keep my like NutriBullet on the counter. But when I got the electric kettle, I wanted to put it away because I wasn't using it in the winter as much. So now that we're coming into summer, I'm like ready to have smoothies again, but I need to get it out. And unfortunately, it's stored up above the fridge. So I want to get that down. And I think I'm going to clean out the cupboard down here. It's like full of like water bottles and cups and stuff. In all honesty, I use the same 3 cups when I do like, you know, the travel type cups, like Yeti style. So I want to empty that out, get rid of the things I'm not going to touch, things that don't have like crazy sentimental value, that kind of stuff. So maybe I can get enough space in that cupboard that I can actually put the kettle and the NutriBullet away in there, and then I can pull them out when I want them and it's not taking up counter space. Plus, down on one of these like rolling racks that are under the island is where all the accessories are for the NutriBullet. So I want to get those off of that because obviously dog hair, you know, dogs down low, dust, things like that. So probably clean those up. I might look on Amazon to see if I can order like an acrylic bin of some sort that I can put all those like lids and cups and stuff in. So again, it can go up in the cupboard. Just makes my life easier. So that's the first task we're going to go ahead and knock out, is getting that taken care of. And then I'll explain a little bit more when we go outside to do some of the outside stuff.
I don't usually cry at all, but why is it always close? Ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far, but
So now that that's done, we're going to go outside and kind of do, I guess, the dirty work. So the dirty things that I feel like I got to do is to, there's like a bush that's kind of growing into the fence that needs to be kind of cut down, trimmed out. Because I noticed I have an iris out there, but the branches are kind of in it, and I'm wondering if that's why I didn't notice it. So I want to get rid of that. And then I need to weed whack by the back porch, especially that area and covered that's like a patio. The grass is getting really bad in there, so I need to weed whack that. And I did get, I got some new pots off of Amazon. These ones are plastic, they're not clay, so hopefully they're not gonna like shatter or break like the other ones I have do. So with these, I want to repot the lavender that's on the back porch. One of them might be fully dead, but I'm hoping maybe repotting it, it'll revive it. If not, I'm going to get some more lavender and plants later on. But for right now, we're just going to refresh what we got. We'll spend a different day doing, you know, because the pot by the garage too needs to be replanted with flowers. Right now, the Silver Springs ivy stuff that I had in it, that is regrowing on its own. So we're going to take care of that. So that's the dirty stuff. So we're going to knock that out. And then I got a few more things we're going to do. Yeah, I've got a list over here. But let's start with the dirty stuff, those 3 tasks. And then I will talk to you again before we go into the next one.
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. La da la da la 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 da 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 dee da da la 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 da la da la 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 da la 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 I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you.
Hopefully we can wrap this up soon because it's getting hot out here. But the main things that are left, I have a small folding table that I want to get out to put on the back porch, a patio chair, and then get the grill out. I'd like to get it out so I can clean it. Maybe not today, but clean it so I can start using it because it's getting warm and it's perfect for grilling. So those are the last few tasks that I'm going to do to prep for summer right now with what I have. Of course, there'll be more once I get to a point where I can buy some more plants and things. But for right now, I'm going to take a quick break and then we'll go start getting that stuff out because that grill is heavy and I put it on the porch.
Making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes.
Got the grill up. I'm going to bring up the propane. I love this grill because it's so little. And I like that the sides collapse down, so I collapse it all the way down when I'm putting it away. And when I'm using it, I can just pull up the one side that I need and still be able to open the door, which is nice. So let's get the propane and then we'll do the cover.
Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. La da la da la 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 da 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 dee da da la 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 da la da la 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 da la la la
Something about you supernatural. I get goosebumps every time you call. Got me running through my fantasies. 40 West, I'm doing 93. Tell me where the sparks come from. Don't know, did we both bring some? Doing something that I can't explain. Lately, no, I'm not the same. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby, you have it. Life's better ever since you have.
All right, I think that pretty much wraps this up. I'm just gonna put the grill cover on once it cools. I didn't plan on turning it on, but I thought better go ahead and make sure it still lights. So I need to wait for that to cool down, put the cover on. But that's pretty much all I'm gonna do for prepping for summer. This is a good start, so I'm ready to go when I want to grill and taking care of those pots that were crumbling all over the porch. So I'm very thankful I got this stuff done, but it is getting very, very warm. So I'm gonna drink some Gatorade and try to stay cool after I get a shower. But I hope you enjoyed getting to see what I do to kind of like minimally prep for summer. And as always, I hope you have a blessed day.